DJI Osmo Mobile 3. I'm at Chelsea Pier. They're playing soccer. I'm gonna capture it with this. Let's go. Feel good? All right, let's pick a ball. Which ball you guys want to use? That's a game ball. All right, cool. Great. And I'm gonna move in and kick. Boom, cool. So you gotta enable sport mode on this mobile, which is really easy. It's just 1, 2, hold, 1, 2, enabled. Okay, sport mode enabled. You should respond a lot faster to my movements. These guys are kicking fast. Crazy. Okay, so we're done playing. I'm exhausted, they're exhausted, so we're gonna slow things down, do a crossbar challenge, maybe do some slow-mo now with the gimbal, see what else this thing can do. Come on. Just a bit off. Just a bit off. Just a little high to the right. Get him next time. Having fun. All right, camera rolling. Go! Nice. Start that again. All right, go ahead. DJI Osmo Mobile 3. If you have a smartphone, you should own this gimbal. This is so much fun, lightweight, super stable footage. I'm a fan. One more time, that looked great. One more time. I'm gonna keep going past you. Shadow looks better. What?